Hi. Okay. Abot lang sa kong utok na na-recall na dunggan ako na there was a comment about me wearing black clothes or black basta damit black. Actually, black is a color. There's nothing wrong wearing black. Dati kasi sa mga traditional pamahiin ng mga Pinoy, kapag nagsuot ka ng black, kala nila namatayan ka or talagang hindi color ang black para sa kanila. Black is only worn or suotin. Suda mag-English musuot lang kag black kung namatyan ka. Pero sa new generation karon ang magputi, huwag namatyan, magputi na sila, di na sila mag-itom. So it's always a choice, ba? Ako, if I wear black, it doesn't mean I mean something to, or I refer it to somebody else, or pamin ko na nag-wear ko itom na sanina, or t-shirt, or blouse, or nakaano lang yun siya sa kuha, kanang the fact na I've been working sa YVR before, and we have a uniform, and our uniform is all black. Dili mi pwede mag-jeans, di mi pwede mag-khaki, di mi pwede, basta always, ang pants na mo black, among shoes black, ang top is uniform black with collar. Tapos amo ang jacket or amo ang sweatshirt is black. So, you have no choice to wear black. So, it's always been black, black, black. So, for that person to accuse me na pamin or something na I'm referring to na nag-itom ko for a reason, it's mental, like it's not me, it's the person think about it na ako mura ba panunglo, murag inana ba, but it never came to my mind na kadto ang ako ang intention. I never did and I never was. So just to make it clear, black is black. No matter what, it's already part of colors, and you cannot delete that from any other colors. It's still color, and it's still something that you want to wear. In any type of gatherings, mapaparty man yan, kahit nga sa kasal ngayon, ginagamit na rin, black. So, that being said, it's always the perception of the other people that creates something in their mental to think that way na ganong magsuot kag black. It's just not, it doesn't make sense at all. So for me, it's something na there's something wrong with the mindset of the others. So yeah, that's all. Black is black. Black is color. You can wear any type of shirts, tops, whatever, pants, panty, anything. Kahit nga bikini, black. Diba? Peace, brother. Peace, everyone.